You know, when I started this 10 bob cut series, I honestly didn't expect it to grow into a full conversation with so many of you. We've gone from classic lines to creative shapes, from sharp bobs to the freedom of texture and color, and somehow we've built a little movement around it. So, before we even dive in, thank you. Thank you for watching, for commenting, for trying these styles in your own space, and for proving that the bob never really goes out of style. It just keeps evolving. Today, we close this series with something bold, something modern, something unapologetically artistic. Welcome to 10 Bob Cut's artistic dimension for the Bixie and Asymmetrical Revolution. And yes, we're going to talk color, because form and tone live in the same breath. Alright, for years we've talked about the timeless elegance of the bob. We've celebrated its history and its power. But are you ready to see its boldest evolution yet? Well, you are in exactly the right place. This isn't about looking back at the past. This is all about the future. Today, we're not just cutting hair, we're kicking off a revolution. These are the 10 bobs that are about to define personal expression. So, get ready to forget what you think you know. The lines are blurring, the rules are breaking, and a new era of artistic freedom is here. This is the Bixie and Asymmetrical Revolution, and you're about to find your perfect match. Before we dive into the cuts, we have to talk about the shift that's happening. For so long, the goal was perfect symmetry and clean, predictable shapes. But now, we're moving away from that pursuit of perfection and into the realm of personality. We're chasing energy, not just elegance. This is a movement that's all about authenticity. It's about a haircut that doesn't just sit there but says something incredible about you. It's a rebellion against uniformity, a statement that your vibe can't be confined to a single symmetrical shape. The Bixie, a daring hybrid of the bob and the pixie, and the asymmetrical bob, a style defined by its confident imbalance, are the pillars of this new movement. They're changing how we see hair, not as something to be tamed, but as a canvas for art. The stylist becomes a sculptor of confidence, and you become the muse. Now, let's start the revolution. Number 1. The Micro Bixie with pearlescent finish. We have to start with the boldest expression of the Bixie trend, the Micro Bixie. This cut is for the absolutely fearless built. It takes the daringly short length of a pixie at the nape and sides and fuses it with just a whisper of bob-like length on top. The key to the Micro Bixie is all that texture. It's not smooth or sleek. It's a celebration of choppy, piecey layers that create an almost windswept look, packed with movement and life. It's the very definition of low-maintenance, high-impact style. But what truly elevates this to a statement piece is the color. Imagine a pearlescent silver, a smoky lilac, or an icy cool-toned blonde. Using a feather paint technique, where color is delicately swept onto individual strands, creates a multi-dimensional look that just catches the light. This isn't just a haircut, it's a wearable piece of modern art that says you are both playful and powerful. Number 2. The flowing asymmetry bob. Next, let's explore the softer side of the asymmetrical revolution. A lot of people hear asymmetrical and think of harsh, disconnected angles, but the new interpretation is all about flow and sophistication. The flowing asymmetry bob features a gentle, almost poetic imbalance. One side gracefully skims the collarbone, while the other is cut just to the chin, creating a soft diagonal line. There are no harsh steps here. The secret is in the blending. Using razoring techniques to soften the ends creates a seamless transition, ensuring the hair moves as one fluid piece. This cut is a quiet rebellion. It's perfect for the person who wants to make a statement without shouting. It works beautifully on straight or wavy hair, and it's a fantastic option for fine hair, as the longer side creates an illusion of more density and volume. Number 3. The Shaggy Bixie with dimensional color. The Bixie truly comes alive when it embraces a bit of beautiful chaos. The Shaggy Bixie is the carefree, rebellious cousin of the classic bob. It's defined by its choppy, angular layers and a longer, textured fringe that looks amazing swept to the side or worn forward. This cut is all about celebrating natural texture and movement. It's designed to look lived in, effortless, and full of personality from the moment you wake up. What makes the Shaggy Bixie a masterpiece is the dimensional color. Using a technique called air touch, where cool air separates finer hairs so only the longer strands are colored, creates an incredibly natural sunlit effect. Imagine a base of rich espresso brown, with ribbons of warm caramel woven through. This cut is for the free spirit who wants their hair to be as expressive as they are. Number 4. The Architectural Asymmetrical Bob. Now, for a complete shift in mood. If the last cut was poetry, the Architectural Bob is pure sculpture. This is a high-fashion, high-impact statement. It features a dramatic, intentional imbalance, one side cut in a sharp, blunt line at the jaw, while the other cascades down toward the shoulder. The key here is precision. The lines are razor-sharp, the silhouette is geometric, and the finish is poker straight and glossy. This isn't a cut for the faint of heart. It requires some serious confidence to wear. It's a look that says you're in charge and not afraid to be noticed. Paired with a monochromatic color, a jet black, a platinum blonde, or a deep mahogany, the effect is nothing short of breathtaking. It's a haircut that transforms your entire presence into a full-on power move. Number 5. The Curly Bixie for way too long. Those with natural curls were told that short hair wasn't for them. The curly Bixie completely shatters that myth. This cut is a joyful celebration of curls, designed specifically to enhance their natural bounce and volume. It's a hybrid style that keeps enough length on top to let curls flourish, while the shorter back and sides prevent the style from becoming weighed down or getting that dreaded triangle shape. The success of a curly Bixie is all in the customized curl-by-curl dry cut. This ensures each curl sits perfectly and grows out beautifully. We focus on creating a rounded, soft silhouette that feels both retro and incredibly modern. It isn't about taming curls, it's about liberating them and letting that gorgeous natural pattern do all the talking. Okay, we're halfway through and I've got to ask, are you feeling inspired yet? If you're loving these ideas and already planning your next hair change, do us a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not already, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future hair guides. Your support seriously means the world and helps us make more content just like this. Now, let's get back to the bobs. Number 6. The Undercut Asymmetrical Bob. Ready to get edgy? Here we take the asymmetrical concept and inject it with a hidden layer of rebellion. From one angle, this cut might look like a chic bob, but as you turn your head, a closely cropped undercut is revealed on the shorter side, creating a stunning contrast. This juxtaposition of the sleek bob against the soft buzzed texture is the essence of modern edge. This style is surprisingly versatile. You can part your hair to completely conceal the undercut for a more professional setting, or sweep it over to reveal it for a dramatic evening look. It's a way to have two haircuts in one. It's a style that speaks to a multifaceted personality, one that is both polished and a little bit punk rock. Number 7. The Bixie Lob with a curtain fringe. What happens when you're not ready for the commitment of a super short Bixie? You embrace the Bixie Lob. This is the longest version of the trend, a beautiful halfway point that combines the textured, layered feeling of a Bixie with the collarbone grazing length of a lob. Heavy layering around the crown provides that signature Bixie volume and movement. What truly makes this look feel fresh is pairing it with a soft face-framing curtain fringe. The bangs sweep out and away from the face to beautifully highlight the cheekbones. The combination creates a soft, romantic, and almost retro aesthetic that feels utterly contemporary. This cut is the perfect entry point into the Bixie world, offering the safety of length with all the modern energy of the revolution. Number 8. The Color Block Asymmetrical Bob. This cut is where hairstyling and modern art truly collide. We take a bold asymmetrical shape and use it as a canvas for dramatic color blocking. Forget subtle balayage. This is about deliberate, powerful placement of contrasting color. Imagine a sharp asymmetrical bob where the longer side is a glossy espresso brown, while the shorter, tucked side is a shocking panel of icy platinum blonde. The technique requires absolute precision. With color applied in solid blocks, the effect is visually arresting. It highlights the intentional imbalance of the cut and turns your hairstyle into its own accessory. This is for the ultimate trendsetter, the individual who sees their hair as their greatest statement piece. Number 9. The Feathered Bixie for fine hair. One of the biggest concerns for clients with fine hair is that a shortcut will make it appear thinner. The Feathered Bixie is the perfect antidote. This style is built on soft, wispy layers that are expertly feathered to create an illusion of volume and density. Unlike chunky layers, these blend seamlessly. The key is to avoid blunt lines and keep every edge softened and textured. For color, a technique called microlights, incredibly fine highlights add shimmer and dimension without creating stripes, further enhancing the illusion of fullness. Think of a cool, ashy mushroom brown with hints of lighter beige. This cut proves that you don't need thick hair to rock the Bixie revolution. You just need the right technique. Number 10. The Evolved Asymmetry with Blunt Ends. Finally, we land on the most sophisticated and forward-thinking version of the asymmetrical bob. While some feel asymmetry can be dated, the evolved asymmetry is the definitive answer, proving the style is leading the charge in modern hair design. This cut marries imbalance with the biggest trend in modern cutting: strong blunt ends. Imagine a bob where one side is an inch longer, but both sides are cut with a razor-sharp one-length perimeter. There's no layering or texturizing of the ends. The power lies in its stark minimalist simplicity. The asymmetry provides the artistic interest, while the blunt ends give it a powerful, healthy, and undeniably current feel. It's the perfect fusion of artistic expression and chic elegance, and the ultimate statement that this revolution is here to stay. And that's a wrap. 10 cuts, 10 statements, 10 visions of the future. The Bixie and the asymmetrical bob are so much more than a haircut. They're a philosophy. They represent a move away from rigid rules and a bold step into a future where hair is the ultimate form of personal expression. From the ethereal micro Bixie to the powerful evolved asymmetry, it's clear these cuts are turning a classic into something brand new and totally you. Now we have to know, which cut was your absolute favorite? Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one and love hearing what inspires you. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, stay stylish.